All right, everyone, let's go to a table of contents, 2.11, Remainder Theorem. And as we get into it, let's solve the problem. Example 1 is x minus 3, a factor of 2x fourth minus 11x cubed plus 15x squared plus 4x minus 12. And so we've learned synthetic division and long division. We can use either which or. Again, because this is a solution, it's going to be an integer, best to use synthetic. But there's actually another way to go about it. And that is by taking step 1, set the divisor equal to 0, and solve. So x minus 3 equals 0, x equals positive 3, not like synthetic division. Our second step, though, is to substitute the solution into the dividend. So that is where we're taking x equals 3 and substituting to each term of the dividend. And through this process, we're going to solve whether or not it's a factor or not. And so let's solve for f of positive 3 equals 2 x plus 3 to the 4th power minus 11 plus 3 to the 3rd power plus 15 plus 3 squared plus 4 plus 3 minus 12. So we just substituted our value for variables. All right. I'm going to rewrite f of 3 at all times. And now third step rather, is to operate and solve. So 3 to the 4th power is positive 81. 3 cubed is going to be 27, so negative 11 times positive 27. 3 squared is 9, so positive 15 times positive 9. Positive 4 times, so I'm going to take that, 12, and then minus 12. All right. F of positive 3 equals 2 times 81. These are different. 2 times 81, which is 162. Negative 11 times 27 is negative 297. 15 and 9 is positive 135. And then I have positive 12 minus 12. And then when I operate, I'm always moving from left to right. And if I did 162 minus 297 plus 135 plus 12 minus 12, I end up getting 0. And so our first step is to conclude. Going back to the question, is x minus 3 a factor of this polynomial? Well, if f of 3 equals to 0, therefore, yes, it is a factor. And so there are there's three main things I need you to understand. And that is the remainder is the non-zero output of the substituted solution, that's positive 3, from the divisor of the polynomial dividend. And therefore, in layman's terms, f of positive 3 equals 0 means there's no remainder. It is factorable. If f of positive 3 equals negative 8 with remainder, it is not factorable. And so going through this whole process, we're able to find what's factorable and not, ultimately what's graphable and what's not. So here are the notes for the day. Thank you so much. Enjoy.